Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cajun Country Living. This week we're going to be making an attempt to get in some of our exterior siding, if the walls will leave us alone long enough to do it. We've never put in fiber cement siding before. Again, I know this is a big shocker, but it'll be the first time that we did it. So hopefully it turns out well.
So we decided that we were going to just take it one side at a time. So we went ahead and weed eated, and we went ahead and cut off the excess house wrap.
On the bottom of our plywood where it overlaps the concrete, we're going to put a strip of rubberized foam in there. Just keep any moisture from getting up between the siding and the slab, getting into the plywood that we put on for sheeting. And the siding that we have, we needed 9 foot. All we could get a hold of was 10 foot. So we're going to have to cut each and every sheet of this stuff and then find a use for the cutoffs eventually for something. But I'm sure we'll find some use for it.
I bet Gus would like a doghouse.
Make a solid doghouse.
So the other thing that we're waiting on is our tape that goes around the windows. It's supposed to be coming in the mail today, but luckily the first sheets that we're going to put up doesn't have a window or anything in the way. So we're going to try and see how much we need to cut off, where we want to stop it in accordance to the bottom of the concrete, and go from there.
That's right. So Uncle Amazon will be bringing our tape after a while, and we can get started putting that flashing tape in maybe at that point. Are you ready?
I'm like beyond ready. I'm so excited.
I am too. I cannot wait to see what it looks like.
All right, let's go.
All right.
So the blade that Jim is changing right now is just a regular wood blade that comes with the saw. We had to buy a fiber cement saw blade to go in our skill saw. We've heard that you can tear up some things in a bad way if you don't use this. That went way better than I thought it was going to.
There was nothing to that. Okay, so this is the first sheet that we put up here, knowing nothing about it. Heard different horror stories talking about fiber cement siding, how easy it was to bust and all that stuff. So we're playing with the air pressure a little bit. We didn't want the air pressure to be too high. And you see these nails are a little flush. And this nail's sticking out a little bit, so we're gonna need to increase our air pressure. But all in all, it's going up really good.
Kind of scary how good it's going.
Yeah.
Normally things don't go good.
Not that smooth for us anyway. But looks great. It's going up good. I like it. Today's video is sponsored by Green Chef. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic meal kit company that helps you cook clean, delicious dinners week after week with step-by-step recipes and pre-measured premium ingredients that save you time. They're changing the meal kit subscription game with options for every lifestyle, including keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free. Green Chef is the #1 meal kit for eating well, with dinner options that work with your lifestyle, not the other way around. On top of being a great meal, you can enjoy your greens while being green. Green Chef is the most sustainable meal kit, offsetting 100% of the plastic in every box and 100% of their carbon footprint and emissions. When we come in from a long day's work, Green Chef makes cooking enjoyable rather than a chore. Use our code Cajun Country Livin 130 to get $130 off plus free shipping. The link is in the description below. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Thanks again, Green Chef, for sponsoring this video and for making our meals healthier and simple. So y'all saw us put a couple of those sheets on yesterday. We got out here right at dark off camera and put up a couple more pieces. We cut this piece out around the door, put this next piece in just because we're anxious and we're trying to see what it's going to look like, but I like it so far. We still have to put the batting strips on the seams and caulk it and all that kind of good stuff, but pretty good look to me so far. What about you?
I am loving it. It looks phenomenal.
I like it too.
So this was our package that we were waiting on yesterday. Got a few rolls of this. It's called Aqua Sealed Tape.
And that is some really good stuff. Just so y'all know, we're not sponsored or anything by them, but it's a good product. If it's damp, it don't matter. It sticks really well. It's really, really tough. It's stretchy, and it's just really good. If you're anything like us, we bought just about every kind of tape that you can imagine, and that it's a little pricey, but it really works well for just about anything, but especially for this application because, well, it's pretty much what it's for. It's a flashing tape. Are we going to live long enough to see you peel the backing off of that?
You know what?
I mean, I'm going to get a pillow and come back in 5 to 10. Ah, there you go.
Ah, there you go.
It's really taking you a long time to put this tape on there.
Listen, perfection takes time, okay? Quit fussing at me.
Will she do it? Will she do it today? Ah, she got it.
All right, I just got to put one on the top and then we can start putting more siding up.
We have a yellow theme going today. That's our little boards and scraps of stuff that kind of keeps us, helps us keep it held in position while we're leveling it and shooting it. Here's something else I wanted to show y'all. Come take a look. Whenever we built this house pad and we backfilled for the plumbing and all that stuff, if you'll look down, the ground's not level. It gets really high right here. So we took a little round point shovel and dug a little trench along the edge of the slab there. So whenever we come back and do landscaping, and we're going to pour a concrete shelf all the way around this house. That way there's absolutely no water, no grass that grows up against this house, and it's going to have a slope to it where the water runs away from it. And it's going to tie into all the concrete that we're going to pour for these porches. We still have a lot of that work to do.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Well, I bet you already noticed what we're about to tell y'all.
Yeah, I wish y'all would have spoke up.
Come on. Y'all are supposed to be helping us out.
Hey, do y'all remember just a few minutes ago that tape we was talking about that was so great that you put around the windows, that flashing tape that was so good that we bought and it was delivered? Well, guess what we forgot to do? We was so involved in measurements and cutting siding and trying to get this stuff put up because we knew nap time was coming to an end. Guess what we did? You want to show?
Well, we can't show it now. It's already done covered up.
Look at that.
We forgot the tape around the window. I cannot believe that we did that.
I can't either. So now, I'm not taking that siding down.
I'm not either.
Well,
we can tape up this side.
Yeah, we're just going to tape up this side. I cannot believe we did that, but I don't know. I'm not taking it back down. Run the risk of breaking it up.
So, first pretty big mistake. Now, people build and probably don't put that stuff anyway, but that doesn't make it okay. So,
well, it's just always going to be in the back of my mind that we did not put that tape on the top and on one side. Of course, we put a ton of caulk in behind that window frame whenever we put that in there, but it's still disheartening that we forgot to do that.
well, at least got this side up.
The siding's going on smoother than we thought. We made it down to the first bedroom on the east side of the house. Everybody talked about how bad this was to put on, but once you get set up for it and get your air pressures balanced and all that kind of stuff so you don't oversink the nails into the siding, it really goes pretty fast. Well, our timer just woke up from her nap, so I guess we're going to call this a day. Try to pick back up here in the morning, see how much more we can get finished. I'd like to get this one wall completely finished this weekend, and I don't know if we're going to make it or not, but we got a pretty good dent knocked in it already. We're about halfway down this east wall, so I think if we can get enough naps in tomorrow, we should be able to finish this up.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
So this is the only piece of foam that we have left. So we either need to go to the store and get some more of this, or we can go on the river. So if I had to guess, I know which one Jim's gonna pick, but y'all stay tuned to find out. Well, here's the answer.
We're going to the river.
So this week it's been such a big accomplishment to get this side of the house done.
Gives it a whole new look. Starting to get that warm feel on the outside of it, where it actually looks like a house.
So all we got to do on this side is put up batten strips,
Soffit, trim,
paint, power wash.
yeah, about 10,000 other things. But at least it looks good. It looks like a house. So it's a good start, motivation for us anyway.
So thanks again, Green Chef, for sponsoring this video.
And this week's shout out goes to David Alder. Week after week, really nice uplifting comments. And comments like that, and it may sound silly to some, but it's really a motivation booster.
Yeah, it is.
And we appreciate that. Just want to let you know.
Well, y'all hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see y'all next week. Bye, Cajun family.
Cajun out.